we are going to be demoing an IME mobile clinic trailer. Now this exact design that we are going to be demoing is currently in very high demand, and alongside of this we're going to be looking at some of the upgrades that IME has done to their mobile trailer platforms. What we first are going to be looking at is some of the specialist caravan accessories from our partners at THRSA. Beautiful Thule Omnistar manual awnings, the Dometic basins which are running hot and cold water and also have a glass lid so that they can actually be closed and concealed as a part of the countertop, and the beautiful Ford Caravan toilets, which are easy to clean, easy to refill with water, and come with a welcome packet of chemicals, making it very easy to maintain. Next, we're going to be looking at one of the newest upgrades in the mobile clinic, which is actually the lab grade countertops. Now these countertops meet antibacterial and antiviral standards, just like the walling in all of our trailers, meaning that now you've actually almost got a completely antiviral, antibacterial room setting if you take the lab grade flooring with it as well. The trailer bases that we manufacture are only of the highest quality, using the highest standard parts. Thank you very much for joining us on this product demo. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments below, and I'll see you soon for your consultation.